Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to be featuring the latest from Boxycharm, which I assume is for the month of November. And I need to find my little blade here to open up my package. And I just can't wait to dive in. I'm not sure if this is for the month or if this was add-ons that I got, but we'll see. I really missed that old box. Okay. So yeah, these were the add-ons that I got. And look, Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. Love this stuff. Love it. And I only bought one because I wasn't sure what size it was going to be, because sometimes, I assume I'm going to get one size and it turns out I get like a baby size, or I get one that's like, okay, but this is an impressive size. So I'll show you what it looks like inside real quick. Again, these were add-ons. Well, I think for part of that edit sale. Oh, this is beautiful. I should have gotten a second one, but here we go. Oh, can't wait. And of course, I think I've posted about this before. This is one of those ride or dies. So whenever I get it that's on sale or whatever, I really try to get them or stock up on them. If they continue to have this in the future edit or add-on sale, I will be getting another bottle because I like to stock up on them. Thoroughly cleanses the face without leaving my face feeling like dry or stripped. I have combination skin, oily T-zone, dry cheeks, just so you know. The other thing I got during the add-on sale, I believe, was, oh, look at the packaging on this. Isn't that cute? Reina, a Latina brand, Reina Rebel. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. This looks gorgeous. I think this is a blush. I'll put that here so you can see the color payoff. Oh yeah, very nice, very pretty. And this is in the shade Rosa. Lovely. And that's it for my selection from Boxycharm. Those are my add-ons. Yay, so exciting. Are you an Ipster or still a charmer? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Are you into the add-ons and the sales and the edit sales that go on throughout the year with Ipsy and Boxycharm? Let me know again in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. I have something here from sister brand Ipsy. I'm wondering if this is also an edit sale or an add-on, because sometimes they have add-ons, sometimes they have edit. So I'm just going to see what's in here real quick. I'm telling you, just trying to get through these boxes. I think this is stuff that I got. Yes. Okay. This is also from Reina Rebel. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If not, I'll put the pronunciation somewhere in this video. But I got their lip color stick. Right? Yes. I got 2 of them. Isn't that a beautiful pink, dark, deep pink color here? I love it, love it, love it. I got 2. I think it was like $5 each. So I was like, I gotta grab this, and and support Latina brands. Love it. So I love the packaging. Oh no. What is this? Oh no. What happened? It looks like it was loose. Okay, I'm not gonna panic. I'm gonna try to get this back on real quick and see. It looks like it was, yeah, something happened with this. Okay. I mean, it can be salvaged. That's not the issue. It's just that it was loose. It shouldn't have been loose in the packaging. I'm gonna be really careful with that. But that's the color. And I'm feeling pinks lately. I don't know why, even though it's like, but that's a little unnerving. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm assuming it's just, could explain why it was, you know, on sale. Maybe some of them were broken, but it's still, the color's still there, the color payoff. So this is my first time ever using any of the Reina Rebel's lip color crayons, it feels like. And it looks like it's transferable because I could easily do that. What else did I get here? Okay, that was a little moment, but we're moving on. Oh no, what's this? Okay, so I'm afraid to open this because this may be busted. What is this? This is also from Reina Rebel, and it looks like it went through kind of heck to I don't want to say the real word I want to say, but yeah, this is like, I think this was either a highlighter or let me see what this was. On your face finishing powder. Okay, I'm not thrilled with this. I'm afraid to open it, but I'm going to open it anyway, just so you just get to see. Oh my gosh. I think there are videos that will tell you how to fix this using like a rubbing alcohol that's basically almost pure in order to get it to reset. I don't know if I'm going to do that. This is a finishing powder. I'm not sure what happened there. And here's the last piece. Okay. This is a bronzer actually. I don't know if you could see that. From JX, it looks like. I mean, I'm sort of taken aback that that happened. They are add-ons. I don't even know if they have them really in stock anymore. So I don't even know if I should even say anything to Ipsy. I probably will because I have to show proof that, you know, these things didn't arrive in one piece. Oh, it makes me kind of sad. Okay, so I have to rip open this box, which I don't like doing, but I have to because they packaged it so well that I couldn't get inside. But we'll see how this looks in here. This is supposed to be a bronzer. Okay, this is a bronzer. It almost looks, no, it is one shade. Okay. So it has a protective cover, which is nice. Let's see if I can raise this a little without destroying it. And that here real quick. Oh, that's nice. I probably could work with that. It doesn't have a scent, which is interesting. But yeah. Have you heard of this brand? Let me know in the comments below. And that's my adventure. That's it for my add-ons and edit sales from Ipsy Boxycharm. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. Even better, that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest adventure, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.